Guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a CashMall account. First of all, just go on Google and just write for CashMall. And here my account is already created, so I'm just going for a login, but you have to go for a sign up. And in sign up you can see this is my Gmail. It's your full name, your Gmail, and your password, confirm password, and sign up. Okay, so after that I'm going to show you some steps like which you have to cover after logging in. Once you log in, after that you have to clear your verification. Like my account is verified 75%, so you have to verify your account up to 75% minimum to get your funds transaction easily. So what you have to do, just go to the verifications. Okay, so I have just selected an verification two-step method in which you have to select like Google Authenticator, email verification, or any. So in my case I am selecting Google Authenticator. Okay, so it is not enabled my account, so I am just going for email verification. So I will get a code first. Okay. Here I'm just gonna add a code in which I got a pin from CashMall. This is my pin for verifying my account is just turned on with this all transactions I have did in past. And after that it's a total credit and total withdraw, and here is the manage funds, and now you can see my verification steps. Okay, so email is verified, phone is verified, identity is 25%, address is rejected. So according to the verification, this is all limits in which you can send and you can get like monthly, yearly, and daily limit. So this is the best website bank, you can say the bank, the online transaction limit. So you can see if you have 100% verified, then it will be unlimited. Like you want to send 12,000, 30,000, or in one day like 50,000, or unlimited you can send. So this is a great I can say this is a great for banking site over here. Like you can also get your Visa card partner companies. You have also here partner companies pricing and overall the contact us referrals. You can do many things. Like if you want to deposit, then deposit you can see here Pair, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bronx, TRC20, PNB. And if you want to withdraw, there are too many. You can see here. Like last time I just have done EasyPaisa and JScash. Okay, so there are all their accounts like EasyPaisa JScash are also available, but I have just selected my accounts here, so uh, that's why here you can see the JScash and EasyPaisa is not showing over there. So this is a great thing you can see here. So hope you will like video. I'm just turning off this, and hope you will get you sure that you have how to do the sign up and how to get verified. So this is a great thing, you can just avail it, avail all the opportunities overall. So thank you very much.